Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haris Daniel bin Muhammad Tirmizi. Metric number MA20094. Energy is ability to do work. There are many forms of energy such as heat, light, motion, electrical, chemical, and gravitational. This form of energy can be grouped into two general types of energy doing, which is potential energy and kinetic energy. First law of thermodynamics means that the energy cannot be created or destroyed. Energy gauge energy quality considering characteristics like temperature and difference between energy form.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aziz bin Muhammad Azri. My ID number is MA23095. For background study, an internal combustion engine is a type of heat engine that converts chemical energy from fuel into mechanical energy through the process of combustion occurring within the engine. Most common internal combustion engines in the industry or daily usage include gasoline engines, diesel engines, gas turbine engine, and rocket propulsion engine. In this engine, a mixture of air and fuel is ignited within a combustion chamber, producing high pressure gases that drive a piston, ultimately turning a crankshaft to generate mechanical power. These engines play a pivotal role in transportation and power generation, providing efficient means of converting fossil fuel energy into kinetic energy that propels vehicle and drive machinery. Next, for problem statement, the purpose of conducting this study is to do research on energy efficiency and exergy efficiency, which is the thermal process in engine combustion and ways to reduce the exergy loss. Based on my research, the efficiency can be affected by factors such as fuel quality, compression ratio, frictional losses, and how well the engine operates across a range of operating conditions. The basic formula for thermal efficiency of an internal combustion engine is work output divided by energy input times 100%.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rajana Masara binti Raja Alias and my matrix number is MA23082 and I'm going to talk about literature review. In this project, we use experimental method on single cylinder and also 4-stroke cylinder. By using this experimental method, the data gained from the experiment is calculated by using formulas based on the first law of thermodynamics and also second law of thermodynamics. In this experiment, a few of the factors that affecting the result is by changing the compression ratio, types of fuel, such as the certain number, amount of fuel, and timing of the injection. Exergy analysis for diesel as found by P. Burjesh and G. Arunkumar through conducting experiment on various compression ratio, it is said that a thermodynamic system interacts with its environment to reach an equilibrium state. Energy analysis, as mentioned by the author, stated that an engine's analysis provides a breakdown of the energy that is delivered and used in different ways.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Shrabul Muhammad Zaidi, student ID MA 20097. I will present this slide about methodology. From this slide, we can see that the schematic diagram of dual engine cycle. Dual fuel engine can operate using two mixtures of different fuel. The frequent mixtures that are usually widely are diesel and natural gas fuel. Even though the engine operates on two mixtures of different fuel, it can also operate with the usage of diesel fuel only if the natural gas were temporarily unavailable. Other than using mixture of natural gas and diesel, some dual fuel engine can also use various mixtures of biodiesel, landfill gas, biogas, and the other fuels. Next, the first law of thermodynamics. We can see that the first law of thermodynamics is a law of conservation of energy. It states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can be changed from one form to another one. The first law of thermodynamics thermodynamics relates to heat, internal energy, and work. Next is the second law of thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics is a physical law based on universal empirical observation that concerning heat and energy interconversions. A simple statement of the law is that heat always flows from hotter to colder or from colder to hotter from the regions of matter. Q1, Q in equal to Q out. Next, there are the five factor effects of the combustion process in a dual fuel engine. The certain number of the pilot fuel which impact the emission quality, the amount of pilot fuel use, the timing of fuel injection, the properties of the gaseous fuel such as its compositions and calorific value. Next, lastly is the compression ratio, which affects the engine thermal efficiency. Okay, there are three benefits of dual fuel engines. Firstly, reduce environmental impact. In dual fuel engines, exhaust gas recirculation can partially mitigate greenhouse gas emission. Emission about 30% in dual fuel mode compared to diesel mode. Next is financial savings. The dual fuel kit costs less than buying a new engine and requires only minimal changes as existing engine. Last but not least is diesel-like performance. When it comes to power density, diesel engines outperform engines that run only on natural gas. Additionally, diesel engines have been modified for dual fuel use in the meantime. When running in a dual fuel model, a dual fuel engine may provide power density comparable to that of a diesel, thanks to the combinations of internal electronic control. This is our flow chart. First of all, we assemble the data regarding the structure, design, and process sketch of the plan. Next, we collect the data related to engine performance, analyze the data to calculate the thermal efficiency, performance, and the energy. Next, we calculate the exergy life of the system and improve the performance. Next, we use formula to calculate the exergy and energy efficiency. When we calculate the exergy and energy efficiency, we make a comparison between exergy and energy with other engine, and lastly, we analyze the result. After we analyze the result, we make a conclusion and suggestion to improve the engines and make a report to show the references.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Razak Akmal bin Nur Azman. My ID number is MA22138. So for the thermodynamic efficiency and performance, we have two, which is an ideal Otto cycle and diesel cycle. For an ideal Otto cycle, this type of engine's thermal efficiency is ranged from 25% to 30%, while diesel cycle typically low, many of them fall below 50%. Then, going to energy performance and matrix, this figure is an internal combustion engine efficiency losses diagram. As we can see, only 31.5% of the energy is transformed into work and sent to the wheels to move the car, with the engine losing 11.5% of its energy. Next, going to energy performance and matrix. Since ICE cars emit dangerous pollutants into the atmosphere, it is well recognized that they have a big effect on the environment. These pollutants which can harm the environment include particulate matter, carbon monoxide, unburned hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides. So by using catalytic converters, the harmful effects of these pollutants can be minimized. These machines transform exhaust fumes into less toxic compounds by filtering out dangerous pollutants. Additionally, catalytic converters can increase a vehicle's efficiency. Lastly, these are the ways to reduce the energy loss of internal combustion engine. So firstly, improve the efficiency of combustion by advancing in complete combustion. Secondly, we can enhance thermal efficiency by raising the compression ratio will boost thermal efficiency. Then, minimize the friction losses. This can be prevented by using low friction materials for the moving parts and high quality lubricants to reduce friction. Next is optimize heat recovery. By recovering part of the heat-proof heat exchangers, the overall loss of energy can be decreased. Plus, we can reduce internal leakage by employing better fitting piston rings and improve head gasket sealing procedures. And lastly, we can hybridization by utilizing hybrid powertrain integration to reclaim and recycle braking energy.
In conclusion, this research to improve the combustion engine performance through energy analysis and impact of compression ratio. This study will know the efficiency improvement, minimize energy loss, and contributing to the creation of the more efficient energy source. Thank you.